I need to replace ignition coil, part number 796,520 but cannot find the replacement number. I am in Canada.
Have you replaced this before? If so, how long ago?
No, I have not.
How long has this been going on? What have you tried so far?
I'm trying to find a replacement part.
Is there anything else the contractor should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
It's for a lawn tractor.
What's the brand and model of your tractor? How old is it?
It is a Yard Machine 175 series. I don't know the age. Possibly 10 or 15 years.
What have you tried so far with your Yard Machine tractor?
Check the safety switches and replace the spark plug.
Hello, my name is I've been a small engine mechanic for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance. I see from your description that you were looking to replace a Briggs and Stratton coil part number 796,520. Is that correct?
That is correct.
That is the correct part number. Are you having trouble locating a place to purchase it?
I am. I'm in Canada.
Do you have access to purchase from United States sites such as Amazon and eBay?
What I'm hoping to find is the replacement part number. This one no longer seems to be available.
Here is a list of all the part numbers that you can find that same exact coil located under.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.